Hey guys, welcome to TimeRats. In this video I'm just going to quickly go over how to mint the TimeRats NFT from our website. I'm not going to go into how to set up your MetaMask or get Ethereum into your MetaMask or anything like that. So if you don't have MetaMask or you don't have Ethereum in your MetaMask, please check out some of the other videos that we have or the other videos that we've recommended. This is purely just how to use the mint function on our website to mint your TimeRats NFT. Now, for the purpose of the video, I'm actually on testnet right now, so there'll be some small differences, but I will walk you through the process. You have to go to our website, which is TimeRats.com. Please only go to a link from one of our official channels, so our official Twitter or our official Discord, TimeRats.com. Make sure you're on the right channel. Make sure you're on the right page. We actually have already had like a fake OpenSea account set up with some fake TimeRats NFTs in there. So just be very aware that you're on the right page. So I just scroll down on the website to this middle section here. Okay, it's the mint section. And this is the panel here that you'll be interacting with. You first connect your wallet, so you need your MetaMask all set up. Connect the wallet that you wish to use. Connect. If you're on the wrong network, it will show up. There'll be like a small warning, so like this. Please change your network to Ethereum mainnet. For the video, like I said, I'm actually doing it on testnet, but you need to select this one, Ethereum mainnet. I'm on Rigsby. Okay, so select how many rats you want. Is up to 5. That's the maximum. So select a couple of rats. Then just click mint. Very simple. The MetaMask will come up. You need to sign the transaction. Now, again, because it is testnet, we have different setup. But this will tell you. This will have the cost in Ethereum for the NFTs plus an estimated gas fee. You can edit the gas fee here. And like I said, I'm on testnet, so it's completely different. If there isn't a big difference between medium and high, I normally select high to make sure it gets through. Click save and then confirm. That will happen now. Minting, please be patient. You can click here to see your transaction hash. This will be on Etherscan. And then just wait. Once it's been confirmed, you'll just stay on this page. But once it's been confirmed, you can check your transaction on Etherscan. Success. Okay, and then from there what I would do is I'd go to OpenSea and see what I've got. Now, just so you guys know, we have a short reveal period. So the at first you'll have like a image like this in this image here of the time machine for a couple of hours until your rat will appear, like it'll mature and it will appear as your generated rat. Okay, so just be aware of that. If you have any questions related to the drop, related to the project, anything, please just drop us a line in Discord, and we'll meet you there, chat away, and just remember, rats will rule. Okay, and yeah, hope to see you there. Happy minting. Stop.